Affiliate marketing versus master reseller rights. Which one is more profitable and can make you more money in 2025 and 2026 moving forward if you want to make money online? My name is Alex, and like the video, subscribe to the channel. No BS. Let's get started. Affiliate marketing is free, right? You can get free affiliate links. Now, with affiliate marketing, you're going to make 50 to 75% commissions when someone buys through your link. Example, if the offer is $1,000 price point and you make 50% commissions, $1,000 price point, 50% of that is $500. So you're going to make $500 for the affiliate sale, but you don't keep the customer, right? You don't keep the customer as an affiliate. An affiliate, you just make the commissions. Now, master reseller, now affiliate marketing is free, right? Master reseller rights, right? You buy the digital product one time, right? You, whether it be $50, $100, $300, $1,000, whatever the price is, you buy it one time, right? You get the master reseller rights, you get like the franchise model, right? But you can resell that product for 100% of the money. So if you buy, example, if you buy a digital course for say $1,000 with affiliate, right? With affiliate stuff, you're going to make 50% commissions. Well, with master reseller rights, you buy it for $1,000 one time, but you keep all the money for yourself forever, right? You keep all the $1,000 forever. Plus, you keep the buyer's information, meaning that when a person buys from you, you keep their information, name, email, phone number. So later on down the line, you can sell them more products based around the price point in which they bought from. With affiliate marketing, you just make the 50% commissions and you don't keep the customer. Now, I do affiliate marketing and I do master reseller rights. I do lots of stuff on the internet. But anyways, master reseller rights or affiliate marketing. At the very beginning, I recommend master reseller rights because you can keep all the money for yourself and you still have to market and advertise online. So, right, at the end of the day, master reseller rights versus affiliate marketing, you can choose which one you want for yourself. I can help you out with both. Any information, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click all the links below. Peace.